सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ आज Q3 के रिजल्ट के बारे में। Q3 रिजल्ट लाइव अपडेट्स। IIFL Finance shares decline 10%, post earning V-Mart net profit up 22%. Q3 result live updates. Over 50 companies are reporting their result today, inducting the names with the Mphasis, Coforge, Bandhan Bank, APL Tubes, InterGlobe Aviation, Radico Khaitan, Premier Energies, Zensar Technologies, Indian Bank, Zee Entertainment, among others. There are also plenty of stock that will be reacting to their result. That's why they reported after market hours on Wednesday, which displays for the all live updates for the Q3 result. Q3 result live updates. The earnings session maintained it is the momentum as the number came in from where 50 companies today. Mphasis, Coforge, Bandhan Bank, APL, Apollo Tubes, InterGlobe Aviation, Radico Khaitan, Premier Energies, Zensar Technologies, Indian Bank, Zee Entertainment, Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, Zensar Technologies, Syngene International, Tanla Platform, V-Mart, Retail, Suryoday Small Finance Bank, DTK Healthcare, DLF Go, Digit General Insurance, IIFL Finance, Client Rally, Travenues Technologies, InfoBeans Technologies, Ideaforge Tech, Adani, Bluestone Jewellery and Lifestyle और मेनी अदर्स कंपनी ने जो Q3 रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर कर दिया। और पहले आप लोगों ने देखा आदित्य बिरला सन लाइफ्स AMC Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में, जो कि नेट प्रॉफिट हुआ है 20%, रेवेन्यू अप 7%. Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC reported a 20% year-on-year raise in the net profit for the December quarter Q3, with profit coming in at 269.4 crore compared with 224.6 crore a year earlier. The company revenue increased 7.4% to 478 crore from 445 crore in the same quarter last year. Q3 result live updates. IIFL Finance share declined 10% post earning. V-Mart net profit rose 22%. Shares of IIFL Finance fell as much as 10% on Tuesday, January 22, after the company announced along with it is the quarterly result that it has received a communication from the income tax department. The communication pertains to the IIT department directing the company to get it is the account audit for a specific block period under section 142(2)(a) of the Income Tax Act 1961 and appointing a special auditor of this purpose. Q3 result live updates. IIFL Finance share external losses post earning. IIFL Finance have declined further post earning. The stock is currently down 10%. Q3 result live updates. Radico Khaitan Q3 result stock jumps after 20% revenue growth, margin expansion.